According to a U.S. National Health Interview Survey, 28% of adults over age 20 have joint pain. Knees and hips are two of the most common sites of joint pain, regardless of age or gender. Use this short, interactive assessment to quantify how joint pain is affecting your quality of life. Assess how well your knee or hip joints are functioning, and receive recommendations for follow-up steps. Note: this profiler is for adults who are experiencing knee or hip pain from arthritis not caused by injury less than 6 months ago. When you're done, you can download or email a detailed report of your results to share with your doctor. You can also sign up for our free online self-care planner to help you manage and improve your knee and hip pain symptoms on your own. Over a 6-week period, you can follow a simple plan, reduce pain, and improve quality of life. Specific exercises are recommended to help you improve various aspects of joint functioning. Each set of exercises has its own daily schedule and repetitions. Videos and written descriptions are provided for each exercise. As you improve, you can advance through levels 1, 2, and 3. After 6 weeks, you can decide to continue using the self-care planner or schedule an office visit.